Good afternoon, kindergarten. Today we're going to be working with shapes. Can anybody raise their hand and tell me what some shapes are? Good. Some shapes we've worked with so far are circles, triangles, squares, and rectangles are some that we have worked with so far here in kindergarten. So, what are some things that could be a circle? A donut, good. A pole float, that's another good example of some circles. How about a triangle? Good, the bell, yeah. I'm sure a box could be in a triangular form too. Yep, so today we are going to work with some shapes and our square, not a square, okay? So today we're gonna be focusing on squares. So everybody get out this mat and lay it down on your desk, okay? And get out your bag that has all of your shapes in it, okay? Open your bag up and get all of your shapes out, okay? Okay, so now you are going to go through each of your shapes and you're gonna put them under the correct category. So for example, we have square and not a square. So if your picture is in the shape of a square, it's going to go under here in this section. If it's not a square, it's going to go here in this section, okay? So let's go ahead and sort through them. Okay, so now that everybody is done, we have all of these that are squares. This is what your square side should look like, okay? Everybody grab your glue stick and go ahead and glue all of your square pieces down on your paper. Now, we will look at the not a square, and as a class, we are going to decide what shape these are because they're not squares, so what shapes could they be? How about this one? This is the donut we talked about earlier. And what shape is a donut? A circle. How about that pole float that we talked about earlier? It's a circle. What shape is this? A triangle. And how about this one? Another triangle. Good. So all the pictures over here are not squares, so they went under the not a square side. All these over here, the cracker, the blanket, the picture frame, the square, and the domino are all squares, so they went under the square side, okay? So now that everybody has their pictures sorted on their mats, you can pick up your glue stick and glue them all down to your paper. And we will continue to talk about shapes tomorrow.